Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to cancel Shipt membership free trial. We will also put our affiliate links in the description below. Currently, Shipt is offering a free 14-day trial for Shipt membership, which gives you unlimited deliveries during the trial period. We will also put Instacart link in the description below. Currently, Instacart is offering free delivery on your first 3 orders. So check out those links. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out our future videos. To start, open the website shipt.com, then click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for Shipt membership profile. Click on Shipt membership profile. Now here, click on the option that says how to cancel my membership. To confirm the cancellation, click on the button that says yes, cancel membership. And now your membership trial has been canceled. To finish, select the reason why you canceled. Then click on Submit. And that's how you cancel Shipt membership free trial. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.